In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome. This is a quick and simple process that will help you update your digital presence. The first thing you want to do is to open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right corner, you'll see your current profile picture. It might be a little photo or just an icon with your initials if you haven't uploaded a personal image yet. Go ahead and click on that picture. This will open a drop-down menu with some options related to your Google account. Next, from the options available, you'll want to select Manage your Google account. Clicking this will take you to a new tab in your browser where Google's privacy and personalization features are housed. Here, you're entering the central hub for all things related to your Google account. So if you're unsure about changing anything else, don't worry. We'll be sticking to just our task of changing the profile picture today. Now, once you're in your Google account settings, look towards the left side panel and find Personal Info. Click on that link. This is the section where you can manage your basic information, like your name, photo, and other personal details. Google provides this dedicated area to ensure you can quickly make updates to your profile as needed. After you've clicked on Personal Info, you should see a section dedicated to your profile picture. Here, click on the photo itself or the small camera icon that appears next to it. Doing so will prompt a new screen where you can either upload a new photo from your computer or select one you might have already uploaded to your Google Photos. Make sure the image you pick is clear and professional if you're using it for work purposes, or fun and expressive if it's just for personal use. Remember, this image is not only seen in Chrome, but also appears in Gmail and other Google services, so choose one that represents you well. Take a moment to align your image and finalize any cropping that might be necessary. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, confirm the changes, and your new profile picture will be saved. This is an excellent way to keep your online presence fresh and up to date. It might take a few moments to sync across all Google services, but once it does, your new picture will be visible. And that's it. You're all set with your updated profile picture on Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can easily manage your account and ensure all your Google platforms reflect your most current and desired image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.